Hello, it's March 26th. It's a pretty good day for a lot of reasons. We're all born of one true creator, and as such, our goal is to discover that we're an extension as the creator with the capacity to create. That equals energy management, positive or negative energy in creation. So, my message is to become familiar. Observe yourself as an ascended person now and discern, how do you feel? And if you feel bad, there are reasons for that that you should analyze. Sometimes it may come from engaging in another human being that's got a lot of issues, and in you trying to converse with them, you're expending a lot of love, and that takes your energy. When you're communicating with another person in love, then the vibration is good and everything increases and you get energy from it. So be aware of that.